In this video, I'll be teaching you how to open up your YouTube account. So if you have been stuck on how to create your YouTube account, this video is for you. I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial, the steps to take and the things you need to start up your YouTube channel. The first gadget you need to start up your YouTube business is your cell phone or a camera or a laptop. If you have any of these, you are good to go. Don't forget, you can use any kind of phone. Nobody should deceive you to get an iPhone. If you have bigger phones like iPhone, Samsung, or those big phones, you are good to go. But if you have any level of phone, once you know you can create video with it, you are good to go. The second thing you need is learn how to edit. Editing is vital when it gets to opening your YouTube channel. No, don't get tense up. I know you're like editing. I don't know how to do it. There are so many free videos here on YouTube. What you need to do is type how to edit your videos. You're going to see free videos which will coach you on how to start editing your videos. So don't shy away from that. You can learn it here on YouTube and it's free. We have so many editing free apps which you can use. My best is InShot and the second best is CapCut. So you can use any of them. Though there are many of them, just search on the YouTube to check the one which you like. The third thing you need is niche. What do I mean by niche? Niche is your interest. That thing you think you can do and you won't struggle while doing it. If you're a business owner, you can teach people how to create your business. For example, if you're a fashion designer, if you sew clothes, you can come on this YouTube channel and teach people how to sew different designs. The fourth thing you need is your channel name. What is channel name? Channel name is a unique name that is very easy and searchable. So we are trying to create your channel name. Try to pick a name that is not mostly used by different people. Get a name that is quite easy and is searchable. So without taking your time, I'll be showing you step by step on how to open up your YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please give me a follow or subscribe to my channel. Also, you can drop a question on the comment section and I will attend to you. So the first thing you should do is to download the YouTube app. And once you download it, open it. I already have a channel here. I already have a channel on this YouTube. So I'll be showing you how to switch your account. Down here, tap on it, then tap on this setting on top. Once you tap on the setting on top, it will bring you to this page, okay? So tap on switch account. I want to switch account. You understand? So just tap on switch account and these are my other Gmails. But I want to create a fresh one. So tap on this plus button here and it will bring you to this sign in. So what we'll do is tap on create account. Tap on create account and tap on for my personal use. I'm using this to create content. So that's why I'm creating it for my personal use. You can choose the other options. Just fill in your first name and your surname. After filling it in, select your birthday and gender, then tap on next. Then the Gmail will bring out options for you, then tap on next. So next thing to do is to set your password. Please set password that you'll be able to remember and tap on agree. So if you look down here, you will see that new Gmail account and this is how it looks. Guys, this is very easy. As you can see now, this is the fresh YouTube account I just created. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to edit the necessary information for this new channel. So if you want to learn how to put in the details you need for your YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out in the next video. Hope you learned something new today. Why not start today? YouTube is business and it's paying many people. So why don't you start up your YouTube channel, get your niche, post your content, and get engagement? Very soon you'll get monetized and start getting paid. If you like my videos, please give me a follow or subscribe to my channel. Also, you can drop a question on the comment section and I will attend to you. And don't forget to like this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.